Hello everyone. In our last video, we have seen how to connect to the database using MySql package, right? Now let's quickly jump into MySql Workbench. So let me come here. So yeah, I connected to my local host, you know, database. So here I'm using a sys database, or maybe in high level I can call sys schema, which is again obviously right. So when you talk about right this, you can create a number of schemas which is intern will act as an another database, another user, like we connected to the root you know uh, user here. In real time we never use the root password, it is used by the admins, right? So we should create our the database here, and we should use that particular database, right? So as I said, in our case we are using the sys the database. We'll talk about more, right? So now what we'll try to do is we'll try to you know uh, fetch the data from this particular table, which is called student, right? So let's get started. So now with connection dot cursor as CUR. So what we are doing is, so we are creating a cursor. So yeah, so what cursor does? So uh, simply, right, a cursor in SQL, in any database in fact, is a temporary work area created in a system memory where you can execute any of your SQL statements. Again, as I'm telling you, I'm repeating myself again, as cursor in SQL, in fact in any database, is a temporary work area, right, which is created in the system memory where exactly your the database is installed, where in that work area you can execute whatever queries you want, right? So now you can say cur dot execute. As I told you, cursor is used to execute your SQL queries on the database. Select star from, what is the name of the table? Student, right? Now here I can print dot. So we have two options. One is fetch and fetch all. Fetch all will fetch all the records. Fetch will fetch only one record. Okay, we'll see what error it is. It says no database selected. As I told you, root is a root user, right? It is only used for admins, right? Database administration. We should not use the root password at any cost being a developer, right? As I told you, we may need to use the sys user, or the market star schema. This is one of the user, or else we can create our own user or database. See, someone call it as a user, someone call it as a database, this, someone call it as a schema, right? So now what I need to do is I need to tell this particular student table is in the sys user, a sys schema, a sys database. Did you see? We have two records. If you even see here, we have two records where we successfully fetched. Yeah, I can understand it is really annoying to provide this user here. Instead, what we can do is we can add one more parameter here, db equal to sys sys. Now here I can remove this. It will work very well, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. In next video, we'll see how to insert a records. Thank you. Till then, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.